Welcome to Miss Quain's part of an essay review, brought to you by The Exam I Cannot Say, brought to you by The Divergent Game of Life, brought to you by Your Education. There are 3 different parts to an essay, and today we're going to review each part. We're going to start with the introduction, which is similar to a delicious veggie burger and the sesame seed bun on top. You might be saying, I already know the parts of an introduction. Well, go ahead and tell me now. Ding, 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 time's up. Let's check your work. The first part, introduction, is the hook. That's right. The hook, then the background, finally the thesis. What is the hook? Question. Ding, 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 time's up. Let's see what you said. The hook is really the attention grabber. Duh. Let's see 3 attention grabber samples. First one is a question. Have you ever picked your nose so hard that your nose bled? What if everyone had to poop out of their mouths? Gross, but a good attention grabber. Example 2. Many people realize after high school that they want to dye their hair. Great, it's a statement. Example 3. My mother once said, quote, save your money so you can spend it all when you're retired. Amen to that, Mama. Alright, so you have your hook done. Now to the background. This is where people sometimes get more stuck. What's the background? It is information about the topic, or easily to remember, the 5 W's. I'll give you some examples. A great way to start your background for a literature analysis is in the story called, quote, The Hiking Trip. A good example for starting an expository essay is, quote, here in Oakland, California, there are many fun things to do. Or a good one for persuasive is, many people realize that their school is dirty and they should clean it up. Hooray! OMG, we have made it to the most important part of the introduction. What is it, you might ask? Clearly, the thesis. What's the thesis, though? It is simply said your main argument, or 3 claims. But let's see some samples. Example 1. This is a sample for the persuasive essay about helping violence in Oakland. Here it is. To solve the violence in Oakland, we need more surveillance cameras, community protests, and better relationships with the police. But let's see if it actually has 3 claims. 1. Surveillance cameras. All right, so that's my first claim. Community protests, that's my second. And relationships with the police. Hooray! Example 2. This is good for a literature analysis essay. In the story, Going Home, Chris's friendly personality comes through even when he is sad. In the end, he learns that you can't fight change. It looks a little different. But does it have 3 claims? Let's find out. First claim. Friendly personality. That's right, I had to write about friendly personality. What's next? Emotion. I mentioned it's sad, but there's a 3rd one that I actually made in the 2nd sentence, and that's okay. You can have a thesis with more than 1 sentence. It's the theme. In the end, he learns that you can't fight change. Bada boom. Let's see one more sample though. This is a good one for another persuasive. Example 3. To help clean the trash at school, we need more trash cans, more signs, and more student rewards. Can you identify the 3 claims? All right, we've gone over all the parts of the introduction. Can you reply back what they are? Good luck.